What if we show in just one click, you can get recurring free buyer traffic that will bring in revenue? You'll also be able to make your first online income within seconds. If this sounds interesting and worth checking out for yourself, then watch the video below where I go through what is necessary when it comes driving traffic towards an offer so they buy from us, instead of someone else who has a better deal or product availability. What if we showed how easy making money online really was? It's the old adage that you need to market your product or service before someone else does. Getting attention for yourself is tough enough, but what about all those other people who are trying? The answer lies in getting as many eyes on your offer. And don't forget, without traffic, there can never really be money. The traffic sources that you use are not permanent. They come and go away very quickly. If you pay for a service, then it is also gone after one time. But we have come up with a recurring traffic method that drives traffic forever. The reason why most people are stuck is because they can't get new visitors every day. If you don't have consistent visitors, you will not have good results. This makes them worry about where to bring in the fresh new traffic and sales. Our system gets you a full free supply of quality traffic, every single day. In other words, you're getting the largest traffic network in the world too. Blast your link to their existing $320 billion buyer pool worldwide for free with just a press of a button. It is all completely passive and fully automated. It eliminates the need for paid ads, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. You don't have to do any hard work or write emails or anything that's old and slow. All you need is internet. It works in every country, and it lets you dominate any platform or network. You could use ClickBank, JVZoo, Shopify, Amazon Digestore, or eBay, basically anywhere you want traffic sent. You can use Aerial Assassin to get more buyer traffic to your offer. If you do, then people will come back and visit your offer often. You can make money right now and even more money later. No one else does this like we do. Imagine if you woke up and saw that much money in your account. We have many accounts like this. You probably think that the Aerial Assassin is expensive. But it was originally planned to cost $197 a month. It's fair because it is a true world-first discovery and will give you lots of traffic. But we won't do this because we want to make it fair. For a limited time only, during this special launch period, we have decided to lower the price of something anyone can afford. You won't have to pay $197 a month. You won't have to pay $97 a month. Not even $47 a month. In fact, you will not even need to pay monthly at all by clicking the button below. Right now you get access to Aerial Assassin for an unbeatable low one-time fee. But we won't, because we want to level the playing field. For the price of one cheap dinner, you can get 5 bonuses worth thousands. You can see the details below. If you don't like it, we will take it away and let you keep trying for a whole year. You will end up paying more if you wait. Why pay more when you don't have to? If you want to use a powerful way to get free traffic for your website, link, or funnel, then click the buy button below and get instant access to Aerial Assassin. Do it right now before the price increases, and I'll see you on the inside. Bye.